Buongiorno, welcome to Discovering Italy. Today we're embarking on a journey through one of the world's most beloved travel destinations. From its breathtaking landscapes to its rich history and mouth-watering cuisine, Italy has something for every type of traveler. Whether you're here for a short vacation or considering living in Italy long-term, this is a place that leaves a mark on your heart. Getting to Italy is simple. Whether you're flying into Rome, Milan, Venice, or Florence, Italy has an extensive network of international airports, making it easy for visitors to reach any corner of this beautiful country. Once you're here, Italy's excellent public transportation system, from high-speed trains to ferries, makes traveling between cities and regions a breeze. Imagine traveling from the art-filled streets of Florence to the canals of Venice, or from the ruins of Pompeii to the Amalfi Coast, all within hours. Let's talk about the beauty of Italy. Whether you're in the eternal city of Rome, gazing at the Colosseum and the Roman Forum, or enjoying the timeless elegance of Florence, where the world-renowned Uffizi Gallery and the magnificent Duomo await, history and art are all around you. And if you're a fan of picturesque landscapes, Italy won't disappoint. Picture yourself in Venice, floating through serene canals or marveling at the rolling hills of Tuscany, where vineyards stretch as far as the eye can see. And don't forget iconic landmarks like the Leaning Tower of Pisa, a must-see for any traveler. Now let's talk about what makes Italy truly unforgettable: the food. No matter where you are in Italy, you're in for a culinary treat. The flavors of Italian cuisine vary from region to region, but one thing is for sure, it's all delicious. Whether you're savoring a fresh margherita pizza in Naples, enjoying a creamy bowl of risotto in Milan, or trying traditional pasta carbonara in Rome, every meal feels like a celebration. And let's not forget the gelato, Italy's answer to the perfect dessert. Many people come to Italy as tourists and leave thinking about making it their home. With its relaxed pace of life, charming towns, and a welcoming culture, it's easy to see why so many expats are choosing to live here. From the bustling streets of Rome to the tranquil villages of Tuscany, life in Italy is as rich and varied as its landscapes. Living in Italy means enjoying long, leisurely meals with friends, exploring local markets, and embracing a slower, more meaningful lifestyle. Many expats find that the culture of La Dolce Vita, the sweet life, is not just about enjoying food and wine, but about enjoying the company of others and appreciating the simple joys. Now, let's talk about the cost of living. While larger cities like Rome and Milan can be expensive, life in Italy is surprisingly affordable in many regions. The cost of living in smaller towns, especially in southern Italy or the countryside, is much lower. Dining out is very affordable compared to many other countries. And with access to fresh, high-quality ingredients, eating healthy, delicious meals is both easy and budget-friendly. Renting an apartment in smaller towns or rural areas is also much more affordable than in major cities. But what truly makes Italy special is its people. Italians are known for their warmth, hospitality, and pride in their culture. Whether you're in a bustling city or a quiet village, you'll find the locals eager to share their love for their country, traditions, and way of life. Community is everything in Italy. Family gatherings, festivals, and public celebrations are deeply embedded in Italian culture. And there's always something to join, whether it's a local harvest festival in the countryside or a street performance in a small town. So whether you're coming for a short vacation, a long holiday, or to make Italy your home, there's no place like this country. From its beautiful cities to its charming countryside, from its world-class art and history to its mouth-watering food, Italy is a destination that will capture your heart and stay with you forever. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Italy. It's a place where every corner tells a story, and every meal is an experience. So when are you going to pack your bags and make your own Italian memories? Arrivederci and see you next time.